Hello everyone. Let's read and write CVC words. Are we ready? Let's go. Now we have our first 4 pictures. Let's name the pictures before we write them. So we have a picture of a bin, bus, bun, bug. Now let's write the word bin. Bin. B I N B I N bin. Bus, bus. B A S B A S bus. Bun, bun. B A N B A N bun. Bug, bug. B A G B A G bug. Well done everyone. Fantastic reading and writing. Let's write some more words. Now we have 4 more pictures. We have a picture of a cap, mum, cup, dog. Now let's write the word cap. Cap. K A P. K A P. Cap. Mum, mum. M A M A M mum. Cup, cup. K A P. K A P. Cup. Dog, dog. D O G D O G dog. Fantastic. Well done. Now we have a picture of a cub, bib, fog, and fan. Now let's write the word cub. Cub. K A B. K A B. Cub. Bib, bib. B I B. B I B. Bib. Fog, fog. F O G. F O G. Fog. Fan, fan. F A N. F A N. Fan, Fantastic work. Well done, everyone. Great job. Great reading and writing. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade phonics resources that will help your child with their reading and writing skills. These resources has helped my class to become fluent readers, and it will guarantee to help your child too. I will leave a link in description. Thank you.